Hey, how you doing? So listen, I got a lot of crazy things going on in the house here today, but the special thing I got going on today is we're making empanadas. So if you want to learn how to make empanadas, you're a little excited about that like I am, I can't wait. You just hang right in there because here we go. We're going to the kitchen right now.
Zombie apocalypse.
Hey, how you doing? Good to see you again. Welcome back to the show. Thanks for stopping by. Hope to just find everybody safe, healthy, and good spirits as always. And if you're here, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon. And if you like the video, definitely hit a thumbs up, all right? So listen, today, like I always tell you guys, you are the boss when you're in the kitchen. So you make anything the way you want to make it. Today, we got Rosemary here who's going to help us make some empanadas. And if you made empanadas already, maybe you made it a different way, maybe you don't. If you never had them before, we're going to show you how to make them. Well, remember, everyone makes things just different. Today, we're going to make it the way Rosemary makes it, and I've definitely had them before, so I definitely like them. And I wanted to share that with you. So, Ro, what we got going on today here? What's happening?
We're going to do it our way. We cut out a lot of different things because my kids don't like hot, so I don't put the hot pepper flakes, and I don't put the hot paprika in it.
Okay.
But right now, we're going to get started. We're going to brown the garlic and the onions, then add the meat. That cooks about 15-20 minutes. Then we drain it. We put it back on the stove, and we add the olives, cumin, paprika, vinegar, salt, and pepper to taste. And then we put it to the side, and we wrap them in a shell and fry them.
What kind of shells are we using today?
The Goya disc.
Okay. And see, there's not really that much, there's ingredients, but not a lot. So
You
this is
can
like
put
easy.
what you like.
Right.
Some people put potato, they put corn. There's all different ways. My kids don't eat it that way, so I don't put it in.
And that's why when you're in the kitchen, you're the boss, right?
Yes.
Because you got to, I tell you guys all the time, you got to make it the way it's going to make you happy and the people that are making it happy. That's why we're going to show you this way. That makes Rosemary and the kids happy, makes me happy. We didn't like that. But if you want something different, you do it your way. But we'll give you the basics of what's happening here. So let's get going with the
All right.
onions and garlic, right?
Yes.
Cool.
We got that going.
Yeah, move it to the side. So we can see what's happening.
All right, we got that in. And you just want to brown it. You don't want to burn them because then that takes the flavor to a different taste.
So we're browning the garlic and we're browning the onions. A little bit of oil in the pot.
Just basic. I don't know if they've seen that, but.
There's the onions. See how much onion and how much actually you use? Just how many did you use?
So I used 2 cloves of garlic and I used 2 small onions.
Perfect.
And I pretty much do 1 onion per pound of meat. That's how I estimate that.
So how many pounds of meat we got there?
2 pounds.
2 pounds of meat. What is this? Regular chopped meat? That's
Yep,
it?
ground.
Regular chopped meat, ground beef?
You can do anything. You can do pork, you can do chicken. My kids like beef.
There you go. We'll give you a quick look at the pot right here. Show what we got in the pot there, Ron. There we go. It's just the onions and the garlic in there, just getting it nice and warm. So we're gonna heat that up a little bit, just let that brown. Then we'll come back and we'll check out what's happening with the other stuff here that we gotta do. All right, hold on. All right, guys, so there we go. We got everything browning right now. Everything is looking good. Now it's time to put the meat in, Ron.
Yes.
All right. Meat goes in right on top of the onions and garlic.
Yep.
You go out there, it goes fine.
And just break it apart. And let it do its thing.
Now the onions and the garlic, we just let about 10 minutes in there just to brown,
Just about.
just to get a little nice and brown color to it.
You just want it to get brown. You don't want to burn it. So just keep on moving, medium heat, and just till it gets like crystallized, kind of.
And now this is gonna go in there, you're gonna say till everything is brown too, like I know 15 minutes
About
or so.
15 minutes. Just till the meat is cooked.
Everything's gonna mix together nice.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if you guys can smell it. Something's smelling pretty good over here. All right, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna let that get cooked up a little bit for about 15 minutes or so. Then we'll come back and let you know what's going on next. All right, so now we got everything browned over here, right?
Yes, and we drained it.
You just drained it, you did that in the colander, right? You poured it in the colander, drained all the oil out,
Yes.
poured it back onto the pan. And now,
Now we're gonna add your seasoning. So we have paprika, two teaspoons, and 1 teaspoon of cumin.
cumin?
Cumin.
Come on, cumin. All right.
We have a tablespoon and a half of white vinegar. We have olives. You don't have to add them, but I like them.
And again, that's where it comes. You're the boss when you're in the kitchen. Do what you want to do and add what you want.
Yep. And then it's salt and pepper to your taste.
That's looking good. Nice little colorful stuff going on over there.
Mm-hmm. That's really it.
And now we just let that heat up a little bit, like what, 4 or 5 minutes?
That's it.
And then,
We're going to stuff our shells.
okay, and then once you stuff the shells, then you're saying you're gonna have to fry them a little bit to get them nice and crispy.
Yes. And you only have to brown them maybe 3 or 4 minutes on each side because the filling's already cooked. So you're just doing that to heat up the inside.
All right, cool. So we're gonna heat this up, guys, and then we're gonna stuff the shells, I guess. All right, let's get to that. All right, so check it out. So now we got the meat, we got all the ingredients in there, we got everything going on, right, Ro?
Yes.
Now, what's our next step here?
This is the disc that I use. I don't know which way you can say. There's different ones, but that's the one that I use.
That's a Goya 10 discos. Well, I don't read the Spanish on it.
Yeah,
The
just
10
disc.
For empanadas, Goya disc, dough for turnover pastries. There we go. All right.
You just put them out, let them defrost a little bit, room temperature, and then you just roll it out. Not too much,
Just to kind of make it a little squishy like.
just a little bit, and then it expands them a little bit.
It's almost like rolling out a pizza dough, but it's like a whole different ballgame.
That's it. And then I take about maybe 2 scoops right in the middle. Sometimes I get a little messy. I'm not gonna lie all the time.
If you don't get messy, it's not cooking.
All the time.
We gotta cook. We gotta throw things around, right? That's how it works.
Fold it over, take a fork, and just close the ends.
That's almost like making the pie with the little ding over there, the little
Mhm.
feet. Well, she'll hold it up once she gets it, you know, kind of halfway done over there. This one here is getting a little bit,
I filled it up too much again.
that's all right.
It's always messy,
Better
always
more or less.
messy.
We'll get the next one.
Yep, next one. But basically, that's what you get.
Okay.
I
Get the
won't
next
fill it
one.
up so much.
Yeah. I like it a lot. I like it coming out the side, right? Whatever you gotta do.
And then if you have people that don't like meat, you can just throw cheese in here and make cheese empanadas.
Cheese empanadas. I've heard of shrimp empanadas. I've
Mhm.
heard of all sorts of different kind of empanadas.
Somebody
Depends
do
what you want.
guava. They like the like fruits, and
Yeah.
you could do vegetables if you wanted.
I would like to try maybe like a macaroni empanada, right? No.
I don't think that should be allowed.
That's not allowed.
That should not be allowed.
There we go. We got a good one right here. Look right there's the camera. What we got? Nice.
Closed.
Looks good. Beauty. And then she's gonna take this and we're gonna draw it into some hot oil you got going
Yep.
on over there.
It's on the stove, warming up.
Oh man, I can't wait to eat
And
this.
then if you don't have enough disc, don't worry, because you can even eat this over rice. You can, all different ways.
Right, that's what you're saying. If you got a lot left over,
Mhm.
you can make rice. You can draw it on egg. Draw it in a freaking piece of bread if you want. Italian bread. Pull out the middle. Draw it
Throw
in
it on
there.
top of your pasta.
Whatever you want to do. It goes good
Or
with
you can
everything.
put it in the fridge for a couple days and then make some more.
Exactly right. Whatever you want to do. Remember, you're the boss when you're in the kitchen. I gotta tell you, it is beautiful. Very nice. Look at those things. Now what we're gonna do is gonna bring it a little closer and we're gonna see how it looks going into the fryer, right? Into the pan. All right, guys, let's get a little closer here. All right, so now we got them made. We're getting ready to put them into the hot oil. One at a time. Be careful. Make sure you put it away from you. And look at there they go. Oh my God, they're sizzling. See that? See that sizzling there? Now, just for you guys' information, we also have a little help on the side over there. Her name is Angelina. She's actually making some more as we go. Want to give a little wave, Angelina? Say hello. You want to say hello? Gotta bend down a little bit. To say.
Hello.
That's it? Okay. All right. But he's actually rolling out some more, filling up some more for us. We're gonna make a lot tonight. And they are looking good. Now, how long does this take, Rosemary?
Truthfully, it's just until the color, so brown, maybe 3-4 minutes, and then flip another 3 minutes, and that's it, because the inside's already cooked.
That's right. So you're just really raising them brown on the outside.
Yep. And the only thing is, if we're doing cheese, I would definitely just keep an eye on it, because the cheese does leak out. That's the only difference is. But you can put cheese with the meat as well. You can put anything inside. But 3-4 minutes, and then you flip them, and that's it.
Nice. And then we're ready to eat.
See, actually, we just put that in. It's already starting. I know it's hard to see. Oh, I put too much, but.
That's okay. So I guess the basic thing is just keep an eye on it. Wait till it browns up a little bit. You can see it. Flip it over. Let it brown up a little bit. Take them out, and they're ready to go.
Yep, because it doesn't take long.
Cool. All right, so we're gonna let them go a little bit. We're gonna see what happens when they come back out. We're gonna give them a taste. All right, guys, so here we go. We got it. They're out, they're done. Take a look at these things. And I gotta apologize to you. The camera's a little bit off. I don't have the one from New York right now. I'm down south. I got this one, but can't smell them. You see them. They're awesome. What do you think, Ron? We're gonna try them?
Oh, yeah. Let's try them.
Well, let's give it a shot. Yeah, you take one. I'm gonna take one. And these, what do you say, about 3 or 4 minutes on each side till they got brown? Little, I almost call this cottage cheese.
Sour cream.
Sour cream. You want something like that?
Nope, I'm good.
All right, let's go. Let's taste it. Nicholas. Thank you, buddy. This is my grandson going crazy. Anyway, these are looking good. Unbelievable. They taste good. Good job.
Very good.
Guys, if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you know when I come up with the next video. Thumbs up, like the video. Angelina's still over there rolling. Rosemary, awesome, man. These are great. I can't wait to dig into more.
Thank you.
Guys, gotta try it. Nice, easy. Look at us. She can't even stop eating.
Good.
Definitely check it out. Again, remember, you're in the kitchen, you're the boss. Do what you gotta do. Easy way to make them. They're quick and easy. 3-4 minutes on each side once you get everything together. All the ingredients are quick, easy, right? No, nothing crazy. You can't, you find everything wherever you gotta find it.
And add whatever you like. Throw cheese in it. Throw whatever you like in it.
Yeah, I think that's what Angelina's gonna do. She's gonna make a couple for herself with just cheese in it. And we're gonna chow down, guys. We're gonna eat. Again, thanks again for stopping by. Appreciate it. Again, don't forget, hit that thumbs up on the way out. Bro, Angelina, thank you guys so much for sharing with us. Until next time, take care, guys. Remember, stay safe, stay healthy, and eat healthy if you can. If you can't, do what you gotta do. Take care.